Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Swift Attitude. It's a 1.2 litre Dualjet engine, known for its great fuel efficiency and reliability. So the Attitude is a limited edition model. You can see that we've got the carbon effect trim across the front as well as the chrome. It's finished in superior black pearl, lovely pearlescent colour, and this black ties in very nicely with the diamond cut polished alloys. You can see there. You've also got the carbon trim running down the side of the vehicle, and as we move round, tinted glass on three sides, which again ties in very nicely with the alloys as well as the paintwork and mouldings. At the rear of the vehicle, you've got the rear spoiler. Underneath that, the carbon trim continues. You can see there. This particular vehicle has had just one owner from new. And it's also got a full service history. It's been very well maintained. It's also got 13 months manufacturer's warranty remaining. It's a complete peace of mind. We take a look inside the vehicle. Like the exterior, the interior is in great condition. It's been very well maintained, looked after. Height adjustable seating for the driver. Steering wheel, it's leather trim. Here you'll find controls for the audio as well as the Bluetooth. In-car entertainment features DAB digital radio, CD player. The Bluetooth will also allow you to stream your own music from your mobile device. Underneath that, you've got air conditioning and heating, as well as handy storage points with a USB charging point for your mobile device. Rear of the vehicle, 3 seats, and again in lovely condition, been well looked after. Good leg room and plenty of handy storage as well. So there you have it, the Swift Attitude, limited edition. It's in excellent condition, been very well maintained, and as always here at Luscombe's, it'll come fully prepared with a service for its new owner. There is a multi-point video, a technician's appraisal, available on this vehicle. I would urge you to watch that to see the vehicle's excellent mechanical condition.